Now, let me tell you why this is a bigger deal than most people realize. This is not just a feature update. This is a shift in what AI actually is. We went from AI that gives you answers to AI that builds you tools in real time. That's a completely different thing. Before, you asked a question and got text back. You ask a question and get a working dashboard, a live chart, or an interactive diagram. The AI is not just thinking anymore, it's building. And here's the part that gets me excited. Because Claude Cowork already runs full workflows, analyzes files, and executes multi-step tasks, now it can also explain the results visually. So imagine this. You upload your community data to Claude, analyzes everything, finds the trends, spots the problems, and then shows you exactly what's happening with a visual you can interact with, all in one place. That's insane. Let me compare this real quick. If you use other AI tools right now, most of them give you static outputs. You ask for a chart and you get a picture. You can't touch it. You can't change it. You can't play with the numbers. With Claude, the visuals are alive, respond to you. That's a huge difference when you're trying to make real decisions about your content and your SEO strategy. Here's another way this connects to SEO that I think most people are sleeping on: link analysis. Do you want to understand your backlink profile for the AI Profit Boardroom? You type, create an interactive chart showing my backlink growth over the past 6 months, broken down by referring domain authority. Claude builds it. Now you can see exactly where your links are coming from, which ones are strong, and where you need to focus next. If you're doing link building, this kind of visual makes it 10 times easier to spot opportunities and gaps. And trust me, as someone who built an entire agency around link building, being able to see your backlink data visually instead of scrolling through endless spreadsheets is a game changer. Let me talk about who this is actually for. If you're a business owner, this is your new best friend. You can build KPI trackers, growth dashboards, and performance visuals in seconds. If you're a content creator, you can visualize your analytics, plan your strategy, and spot what's working without opening 10 different apps. If you're doing SEO, you can map out keyword clusters, visualize site architecture, and track your rankings all from one conversation. If you're a developer, you can generate system architecture diagrams and flowcharts just by describing them. And if you're a student or educator, you can create interactive learning tools on the spot. This works for everyone. Let me give you one more example because I want you to see how powerful this really is. You're onboarding new members into the AI Profit Boardroom, and you want to create a visual guide showing them exactly where to start, what to do first, what resources to check out, and how to get the most value from the community. You type, create an interactive onboarding flowchart for new AI Profit Boardroom members showing the step-by-step path from joining to getting their first results with AI automation. Claude builds it. Clean, professional, interactive, and you can share it with every new member. That used to take a designer hours. It takes you 10 seconds. And let me hit you with one more thing before we wrap up. Tent gap analysis. This is where the real SEO magic happens. You type, create an interactive chart comparing the AI Profit Boardroom's current content topics against the top ranking competitors in the AI automation space and highlight the gaps. Claude shows you exactly where your competitors have content that you don't. You know exactly what to create next. No more guessing. More hoping you picked the right topic. You can see the gaps right in front of you and fill them strategically. That's how you climb Google rankings. That's how you get more organic traffic. And that's how you build a brand that dominates your niche. It's what I think is coming next. And this is just my prediction. But if AI can already build charts, diagrams, and dashboards inside a conversation, it's only a matter of time before it builds full apps, full websites, and full software tools, all from a single prompt. We're watching the beginning of something massive. And the people who learn how to use these tools now are going to have a huge advantage over everyone else. So here's my advice. Try this right now. Open Claude. Start with something simple. Ask it to create a chart or a diagram for your brand. Play with it. See what it can do. And then start thinking bigger, because this is not going away. This is the future of how we work online.